How to pair your Bluetooth device to Roku TV Wireless Speaker. What is up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy way to connect your mobile device to your wireless speaker on Roku TV. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing you want to do is open up your Roku TV and get on the home screen. Now from here, you just want to head over to the settings menu right here. And once you land on your settings page, all you have to do is head over to remote and devices. And then from here, click on pair a new device. And then click on the speaker option right here. And if you already have the speaker connected to Roku TV, you just want to click on Bluetooth device. So from here, just head over to Bluetooth device and then click on that. And it will start Bluetooth pairing with your device. Now just quickly head over to your phone and then connect Roku TV from your phone. Once you do that, it will show you the pairing is done. And then simply it will ask you to launch your Bluetooth channel now. So just click on yes. Now, as you can see, if you are connected to your Bluetooth, you can start streaming your mobile phone and it will play it from your Roku TV Bluetooth speaker. And if you want to turn off your Bluetooth autoplay, you can do that as well from here on your settings menu. And you have to remember that every time, if you have turned it off, every time you want to connect your mobile phone, you'll have to head over to the settings and then turn it back again. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next video.